Lego custom build, and most of the pieces are taken from Hagrid's Hut. Now I'm gonna start making the minifigures. Let's move on to the granddaughter. Okay, this is the granddaughter's face. Now I'm gonna use this for the hair. Okay, next. Okay, this is, now I have to choose the grandfather's face. These two faces I have. Now I don't really like this angry face. It looks really weird for a grandfather. So I'm gonna use this face, and it has even more wrinkles. Okay, now to decide the perfect shirt for grandfather. I have this shirt, but this is sleeveless, so I don't want to wear this. This is a superhero shirt, so no. And grandpa won't be going outside. He's like one of those grandpas who stay at home, so he doesn't need a coat and tie. This shirt suits him well, but it has yellow hands, so I can't really choose that. I think I'll go with this one. This is the last of the boys' shirts I have. Right, let's press it in. Okay, now let's choose the pants. We have this black pant, and what else pant do we have? Okay, this is a coat pant, but no, we are not using that. This is a girl's pant. He doesn't need that. I think I'll go with this grey one because it matches his shirt very well. Okay, there we go. Grandpa is ready. He can stand in that corner. Okay, next for the granddaughter. Now I have these two girl shirts over here. One is this, one is that. This is a superhero girl shirt, so I don't really like that. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. Next, I'm gonna be choosing the pants. These three are the only pants for the small pants that I have, which the kids wear. So now I'm gonna see which suits the best. This one would suit the best, but actually it doesn't have bendy legs, so I'm not using this. I'll go with this one because grandpa already has grey pants. There we go. Here's our granddaughter. Okay, grandpa's name will be Grandpa Joe, and the granddaughter, I think I'll name her Alicia. Let's clean it all up now, because let's come to the second part. Now I want to give Grandpa and Alicia some accessories. Okay, Alicia loves to paint, so I'm gonna make her a paintbrush as I really don't have one in Lego. So I'm using this black piece and this red square piece stud. I'll press this together and I'll put it in the granddaughter's hand. There we go. Now let's stand. Now for grandpa, he's a really like a person who loves to eat, so I'm gonna give him a cookie. Now there we go. That's done. So now let's come to the second part of our build, the actual build, the living room. Okay, now we are making the fireplace of the living room. I got a base plate over here, the green base plate. Now let me start making the fireplace. First I'm making this piece over here. I put this one over here and another of this piece. Okay, now I'll attach it here. Now leaving one space behind so that we can put in our wall. Next we need the second piece, same as this, and put it after 4 studs. I already pre-made this piece. Okay, now we need these black things, these hook things. 2 of these. Don't take up any things here. And now on this hook piece I'm gonna attach some flames. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna attach a jumper stud over here, and then a brown orangey brick so that it looks like a fireplace, just to give it a look. And now I'm attaching the black wall. I have this sticker on here, as most of the pieces are taken from Hagrid'sHut. Actually, most of them. Yeah, this wall is also taken from Hagrid'sHut. Okay, now I have to attach these pieces on top so that we can attach a real light brick over here, the hood of the fireplace. Okay, let's move this aside. For now, we are starting the hood of the fireplace. We need this 3x2 piece and this 3x1 piece. Okay, now I need the flat 2x4 piece and the light brick. Here I have the light brick. Now, flip the page. Now I need this piece over here, and underneath that I'm gonna attach this 2x4 dark gray piece and flatten the top, attaching this piece. Next, I will attach these triangular pieces. I need 2 of them for each side. Okay, now at the back, to give it support, I need this piece so that it can be all stable and no gaps in between. And to make it old fashioned, I'm adding this piece with a wooden sticker. Okay, so that it would pop out. Now I'm putting this up, and now to flatten these bricks, I'm attaching these pieces here. Oh no, wait, these square ones first. That's here. Oopsies. Oh, that's done. Now I need this piece. Only on one of it I'll attach a stud because there's no back part thing. And that's attached, and on the other it's already flat. Now our fireplace is done. Oh, I forgot, how are we going to press the button then? Let's add this on top, squeeze it inside, and add a black ball. Okay, there's the light. This is step 3, building the walls. So let's turn over and get started. Okay, to give a bit of an effect over here, I'm using this, I'm making a piece, and you will need 5 of these to build the wall. This. Okay, so now I'm making a window to let in some light. You will need 3 of these windows to build the wall. There we go. Now to the other side of our wall. Here I'm using this big piece to make the wall quicker. There we go, and our walls are ready. Okay, as this is the 4th part of our build, let's start building the furniture. Let's start building a candle stand to let in some light. Here is the stand, the wick, and the flame, which I'm gonna put in the corner of our room. There we go. Now I'm starting the table. A painting table for the girl Alicia. And Alicia would be already painting a picture here with her brush. Let's put it in the corner now. And I'm gonna put in a jumper stud here. And then attach the chair, this piece, and we are done with the table. So let's make the sofa. I'm gonna add these pieces here for the sofa to sit on, so that it's easy to take it on and off. Oops, the wall. Okay, now let's come to the sofa. The sofa is done. Okay, so now I'm making a crate. There's the box of the crate. I'm gonna put in a broom, umbrella, a spade, a gun from which Grandpa shoots pigeons, and now I have got a axe so that Grandpa can cut some wood logs here. In and voila, that's done. And now I'm gonna put it at the back, crate box and the crate. Now in our house everything is almost done, but I still see 2 empty spaces here. So I want to make a carpet over here, and then I'll think about this later. Okay, so let's start making the carpet. Here I have got a few studs to make the carpet. See, I've got a grey stud. I'm gonna put it up 3 steps. Then a black one. I'm gonna alternate like this, and this beige piece here in the middle, this is gonna be the middle of our carpet. So now I alternate grey and black studs to make our carpet. This is black and grey, black, grey, grey, black, and then our carpet is done. So far, that's great. Okay, so now there's this empty space, so I'm making a table in which Olivia can keep her extra paintbrushes. Now I got this dome here, and I'm gonna put on top a funnely bit to make it look nice, and there's a pink mug which I'm gonna put in here. There we go. And I made an extra paintbrush like this. I'm gonna put this in the mug, and we are done with the empty spaces. Now that we are done with almost everything, let's line up the top. I'm putting a hook piece in here because I'm gonna add something. You will see in a minute what I'll add. Then I'll put the rest of it. Okay, now we lined it up, and I'm gonna smooth the top now. Okay, let's smooth it here. There we go. Now our top is smooth. Yes, I told you what I'll add in the end. This seems to have fallen off. Okay, and I'm making a lantern over here to add the hook because it's gonna be dark. So the paintbrush also fell. There we go, and our build is done. Now I can bring in Grandpa and Elysia. Elysia is here, sitting this corner. And now here's Grandpa with his cookie in his hand, and the fire is going on. And after she's done painting, maybe Elysia could come off the chair and come and sit by the carpet to listen to Grandpa's story. Okay, so now thank you for joining us in this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe.